When your power bank's slower to charge than your morning coffee, you miss moments, ideas, the flow. It's annoying. But with the EcoFlow Rapid Pro Power Bank, you can end the wait. It's got speed, smarts, and power that keeps up.
We start, we gon' get it done. Start, we stop, we gon' get it done.
Right, let's start with the Rapid Pro 27K. Up front, there's an easy-to-read 1.54-inch LCD screen showing battery life, input, output, and charging speed. Along the side, 3 USB-C ports and a 140-watt retractable cable to fast charge up to 4 devices. Plus, the 27,650 mAh capacity keeps your laptop, phone, and other gear powered all day. Extreme Tech offers the fastest recharging. Using the 320-watt desktop charger and pogo pin input, it recharges to 80% in 20 minutes. That's 26 minutes with a 280-watt multi-port input and 40 minutes using a single 140-watt port. And it's not just quick to refuel, it powers all your gear at once, cranking out a total of 300 watts across 4 devices without slowing down charging speed or playing favorites. A single C-type USB hits 140 watts, so your MacBook Pro 16-inch charges to 50% in 40 minutes. Phones, tablets, drones, 99% of all your gadgets stay powered. Besides all that power, safety and durability are a given. With X-Guard tech, it runs 10 million NTC checks a day, shutting down if temps hit 100 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent overheating. This thing is built for the long haul. The app adds smart control too. Toggle optimized charging to stretch lifespan. Check real-time stats, all tuned to how you work. That LCD screen isn't just for stats either. Use the app to upload your own animations, family photos, etc. Friends or family have a 27K as well? Share your designs with them. If the 27K is a workhorse, the Rapid Pro X is the one you can make yours. Same 300-watt power, same extreme speed, but with extras that turn a power bank into something more personal. The big win here is the magnetic modular setup. Add a 1.97-foot retractable cable when you need it, or swap in an Apple Watch charger, then snap it off in seconds to travel light. Just what you need when you need it. Customization doesn't stop at functionality. The case pops off and on like a phone case. Switch colors and styles or 3D print your own design. Want your logo, a favorite quote, or even a meme? Go for it. It's a canvas. But it's still a beast with 300-watt total output, 140-watt single port, and extreme speed. All the power of the 27K that fits your style, your gadgets, and your way of doing things. Beyond the two 27K models, the Rapid Pro lineup has more options to fit your needs, whether you're commuting, traveling, or setting up a desktop hub. The 20K packs 20,000 milliamp hours with 230-watt output, 100-watt retractable cable, and 3 C-type USB ports. Slim enough for daily commutes. The 10K 3-in-1 has 10,000 milliamp hours, 67 watts with a built-in cable and foldable AC plug. One device to replace 3. For your workstation, the 320-watt desktop charger is the centerpiece, pushing 320 watts across 5 ports. 4 C-type USB ports and an A-type USB port, also a pogo pin connector. Charge 6 devices all at full speed, even a MacBook and phone. Plus, it works with the previously mentioned power banks for max recharges. And if you need extra ports or on-the-go charging, these GAN chargers and cable will deliver. The 140-watt GAN charger has 4 ports, hits 140 watts for MacBooks, and fast charges Rapid Pro banks. And its compact design fits right into your bag. The 100-watt? Half a laptop charger size, 3 ports and travel ready. Tops up Rapid Pro gear or devices without the bulk, only the speed. Finally, there's the 240-watt cable, 5.9 feet long, nylon, USB IF certified. Works with Rapid Pro gear or high-powered devices like gaming laptops. Tough, long, and ready for anything. The Rapid Pro lineup is a system, not just some random gear. If you need top-tier power, 27K and Pro X deliver 300 watts. Extreme speed with Pro X adding custom flair. If you're commuting or traveling, 20K and 10K 3-in-1 trim bulk for daily use without losing performance. The 320 watt desktop charger, 140 watt or 100 watt chargers, and 240 watt cable tie it all together. Fast, safe, and built to work with your gear, whether you're at your desk or on the move. These tools keep up whether you're working, creating, or on the go. Hit the link in the description and then use the discount code to save. Questions? Drop a comment. Want real-world tips? Join our Facebook club. More content, subscribe, and catch you next time.